Welcome to Daily English Talks.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Harshi and Shub, where learning English is easy and fun.
Today, we are going to learn English conversation at a restaurant.
This is a very useful topic because we all go to restaurants, cafes, or food courts. Maybe you feel hungry. Maybe you want to order food. Maybe you want to ask for water. Maybe you want to pay the bill. So, yes, this lesson is for real life.
And do you know what is funny? Sometimes we are very hungry, but when the waiter comes, we forget everything. We want food, but our mind becomes empty. Have you ever felt that?
That is okay. Today, we will practice step by step. In this video, viewers, you will learn how to enter a restaurant, how to ask for a table, how to order food, how to ask for the bill, and how to speak politely.
So let's start. Are you ready? Great, let's go.
So, viewers, today's topic is at the restaurant.
Nice. I like this topic because I love food.
Me too. Food makes everyone happy. But today, we are not only learning about food, we are learning how to speak English at a restaurant in a simple and natural way.
I want to learn that because sometimes I feel shy.
No problem. Shub, after today's lesson, you will feel more confident.
Harshi, imagine this. I go to a restaurant. I am very hungry. I sit down. Then the waiter says, "What would you like?" And I say, "I like food." Is that okay?
That is cute, but not enough. The waiter will understand that you are hungry, but you need to say more. For example, I would like a burger. I would like some water. Can I see the menu, please? These are simple and polite sentences.
Oh, so I should not say only, "I like food"?
Right. That is funny, but not useful for ordering. Now, let's learn the conversation in small parts. When you go to a restaurant, the first thing may be greeting. You can say, "Hello," "Good evening," "Hi, how are you?"
Very, very simple.
Yes, and if you want a table, you can say, "Do you have a table for two?" "A table for one, please." "Do you have a table for four?" This means you are asking if the restaurant has a place for your group.
What does "for two" mean?
It means a table for two people. For one, it means for one person. For two, it means for two people. For four, it means for four people.
Wow, Harshi, it's very easy.
Yes, very easy. After you get a table, you may ask, "Can I see the menu, please?" You can also say, "May I have the menu, please?" It means you want to look at the food list.
Why do we need the menu?
Because the menu shows all the food and drinks. You can choose what you want.
Okay, I love menus. Sometimes I read them like stories.
That is very true. Some people take a long time to choose food. That is also normal. You can also say, "What do you recommend?" It means you are asking the waiter to suggest good food.
Nice.
Ordering food. This is the most important part. You can say, "I would like a pizza." "I would like a sandwich." "I would like some rice and curry." "Can I have a cup of tea?" "I would like water, please."
What this mean, Harshi?
It means, "I would like" is a polite way to say what you want.
Oh, can I say, "I want a pizza"?
Yes, you can. But I would like a pizza sounds more polite.
Better and nicer.
Exactly. You can also use, I'll have a burger. I'll have a soup. I'll have the chicken sandwich. I'll have is also very common in restaurants.
Okay, nice.
Sometimes you want to ask about the food before ordering. Then you can say, is this spicy? Is this vegetarian? Is this fresh? Does this have onion? Does this come with fries? Means you are asking simple questions about the food.
What if I do not like spicy food?
Then you can ask, is it spicy? Not too spicy, please.
That is very useful.
Yes. After the food comes, you may want to say something nice. Then you can say, this looks delicious. It smells so good. This tastes great. I really like this food. It means you are showing that you enjoy the food.
If I eat very fast because I am hungry, can I still say delicious?
Of course, hungry people enjoy food the most.
True.
You can also say, can I have more water, please? Can I have some sauce, please? Can I have another napkin, please? These are useful small requests during the meal.
Very, very nice and very easy.
When you finish eating, you need to pay. Then you can say, can I have the bill, please? Could we have the bill, please? Can we pay now? Means you are asking the waiter to bring the bill.
What is the bill?
The bill is the paper that shows how much you must pay.
Oh, yes, the important paper after food.
Exactly. You can also say, can I pay by card? Can I pay in cash? It means you are asking how to pay.
Oh, okay.
Now let's learn the most useful phrases again.
A table for two, please.
Use this when you want a table for 2 people.
Can I see the menu, please?
Use this when you want to read the food list.
I would like a burger.
Use this to order food politely.
Is this spicy?
Use this to ask about the taste.
This looks delicious.
Use this to say the food is good.
Can I have the bill, please?
Use this when you want to pay.
These phrases are short and easy.
Yes, and that is the best part. You do not need big words. Simple English works very well.
Now let's do some mini practice.
Shub. Repeat after me. A table for 2, please.
A table for two, please.
Good. Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
Nice. I would like a pizza.
I would like a pizza.
Great. Is this spicy?
Is this spicy?
Perfect. Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Excellent.
I feel more confident now.
That is wonderful. Confidence grows with practice. Now, Shub, we will do the full role play. This is the most important part. Listen carefully, viewers, and try to imagine you are in the restaurant. So, I will be the waiter. Shub will be the customer. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, welcome to Sunrise Restaurant.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. How many people?
A table for two, please.
Sure, please come this way.
Thank you.
Here is your table.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Here is the menu.
Can I see the menu, please?
Of course, take your time.
Thanks.
Do you need anything to drink first?
Yes, please. I would like a glass of water.
Sure. Still water or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Okay.
The menu is big. I am hungry, but my brain is also hungry.
That happens. Look slowly. What are you thinking?
I think I want something simple.
Good. You can ask me.
What do you recommend?
I recommend the vegetable burger and the chicken pasta.
Is the chicken pasta spicy?
No, it is not spicy.
Great. I will have the chicken pasta.
Okay. Anything else?
And I would like a fresh juice, please.
Sure. Orange juice or apple juice?
Orange juice, please.
Wonderful. 1 chicken pasta and 1 orange juice. Anything for your friend?
Yes, my friend would like a vegetable burger and a cold coffee.
Perfect. Anything else?
No, thank you.
All right. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Here is your chicken pasta and orange juice.
Oh, wow. It looks delicious.
I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you. It smells so good.
Enjoy your meal.
This tastes great. Really great.
I am happy to hear that.
Can I have some extra napkins, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is perfect.
Wonderful.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Sure. I will bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here is your bill.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Great. Here is my card.
Thank you. Your payment is done.
Thank you very much. The food was delicious.
Thank you. Please come again.
Sure. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See, viewers? Very easy, right?
Harshi, this conversation feels real.
Yes, because it is exactly how people speak in restaurants every day.
So I can use these sentences in real life?
Yes, absolutely. That is the goal. You can use, "A table for 2, please." "Can I see the menu, please?" "I would like." "What do you recommend?" "Can I have the bill, please?" These are the most useful lines.
Nice.
Let's quickly recap today's lesson.
Okay, Harshi, let's go.
When you go to a restaurant, first you greet the staff. Then you ask for a table. "A table for 1, please." "A table for 2, please."
Then you ask for the menu. Can I see the menu, please?
Then you order food. "I would like a burger." "I'll have the pasta."
Then you may ask questions. Is this spicy? What do you recommend?
Then, after eating, you ask for the bill. "Can I have the bill, please?" And finally, you say thank you and goodbye.
That is simple and clear.
Yes, simple English is powerful. Now, viewers, I want you to practice too. Try saying these sentences aloud. "A table for 2, please." "Can I see the menu, please?" "I would like a sandwich." "Is this spicy?" "Can I have the bill, please?"
Say them slowly. Say them clearly. And do not be afraid if you make a mistake.
Great job today.
Yes, I feel more ready to speak English at a restaurant.
Wonderful. Remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
That is true.
Now, viewers, I have a question for you. What is your favorite food?
Write your answer in the comments.
And if this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe for more easy English lessons.
Exactly. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.